Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You died, act now. Open F3 or your map and write X, Y, Z so you know the exact spot. This is the single most useful action. Once done, estimate travel time because items despawn after 5 minutes, so sprint or use a mount. Make sure you equip a water bucket and enough food before leaving spawn or bed. These let you cross lava or survive falls. Start heading toward the coordinates using the fastest route you have available. Choose the quickest path and keep it simple. If you can open another portal, travel there. One nether block equals 8 overworld blocks, so a short nether route often wins. Otherwise, mount a horse, use a boat on rivers, or fire an elytra if you have it. Each saves precious seconds. As you go, place visible marks, torches, signs, or colored blocks so you don't get lost on the return. Make sure to avoid high-risk detours that might cost time or kill you again. Arrive at the spot, slow down, then crouch near the drop area so you don't accidentally fall in while looting. Prioritize grabbing the most valuable items first. Pick them up quickly and stash them in an ender chest or keep them on you. If lava or mobs block access, pour water or use blocks to create safe space before grabbing loot. If items have already despawned, don't waste time. Recover what you can and implement prevention. Keep an ender chest. Backup maps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.